Hello guys, welcome back to Cho 2025. Are you ready to add a shocking visual effect to your AI videos? Today, I have a fantastic LoRA for WAN that lets you create a stunning lightning effect on any image. It's incredibly simple, and the results are amazing. Let's get right into it. The LoRA you need is called Electricity VFX by VRAM. You can download it directly from Civitai. The link is in the video description. Once you have the LoRA, all you have to do is add the LoRA to your WAN workflow and use the specific trigger prompt that is Ether Huntry 7 electricity effect in your positive prompt. You can also add how the electricity move for more control. Here are a few examples of what you can create. As you can see, the effect is dynamic and powerful. You can add it to characters, landscapes, or any scene to give it an instant sci-fi or fantasy feel. You can also find more samples and ideas on the Civitai page. That's it for this quick tip. I hope you found this helpful and that you have a lot of fun electrifying your own videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you again on the next episode. Have a nice day!